you're looking to convert an image to PDF, this is your video. Well, actually, this is very simple. The only thing you have to do is to go to iLovePDF.com, and once you're here, you have to look for the JPG to PDF, and you can convert those images into PDF. If you don't have JPG images and you have PNG or whatever, you can look on Google like convert PNG to JPG, and you can convert the image in a few seconds. And once you do that, you press this option that I told you before, the JPG to PDF, and here you select the image. In my case, for example, I don't know, this image here, and you can change a few things. For example, the orientation, like a portrait or landscape, the page size, and the margins, as you can see. So I'm going to convert it right now, and it finishes, and I press download PDF. And when I open it, as you can see, the image is here. You can add a lot of images, and you can merge those PDF to have a full PDF with images. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye and easy way.